There are counselors who do counseling for mental health. So there's a lot of support. Mental health can start from insomnia, not getting sleep, not getting happy, till suicidal thought to commit suicide, and we don't have a reason for that. It's just an instinct thing that could happen. Fine. So it's huge. The subject itself is huge. We are not touching about all that. We are saying every morning when I have to start my business, my mind should be fresh, my thoughts should be fresh. I should start thinking on what my customer would ask and take my business to the next level. But unfortunately, many knows, no business opportunity. I don't want this product. I want something better. Hearing many no's pulls us down, thinking, am I doing the right thing? And not only for us, my dear friends, even for students, children at home. There are few children who go to school with a josh. If you see, they are happy, they go to school with a josh. But there are few children who find it very difficult to wake up in the morning and go to the school. They don't like. Why? If you see, their mental health is affected. Why? There could be something which is bothering them. Maybe, they are not happy the way they are compared in the school. They are not happy by the, advice given by a teacher, or they are not happy by the way their own friends are, better than what they are doing. And when they get the appreciation, these children cannot accept it. They say, even I have done a good job. Why do they not appreciate me? Fine. So these fear of failures, when they fear of failure that happens, they get into a shell called depression. So it is important that we come out of all that and look at life, or take life as it comes, go with the flow and enjoy all the benefits of life. And at one point in time, if you feel you cannot manage on your own, at times it's very difficult to manage on their own, there comes a beautiful range of supplement from Amway which can support you to come out of the situation. Right? I still remember when I talk about Ginseng Cherry Plus, this is not a very new product for Amway. It's been there right from 2001, if my knowledge doesn't put me down. It is there from 2001 onwards. So many years. So one instance, if I have to talk about Ginseng Cherry Plus, is I know a mother who lost her son in an accident. Her son was 26 years old and only son, and she's a single parent. And how will she feel then? How will she feel? Very difficult to bring the mother out of that trauma. Very, very difficult. As a mother, she used to cry every night and she was all alone, no support system anywhere. So that led to mental illness. No sleep, no food, what will happen? Absolutely mental illness, very difficult to come out of that. And then she got introduced to one of our Amway distributors, and who supported, along with ginseng, there were other supplements which were given. And so happy to see her back to Amway office as a distributor after 4 months time. And then she went up to become a platinum. I know her till platinum. After that, I'm not very sure. So, that is what these supplements can do for us if we are using it properly. And there are many people, my dear friends, in our life, not exactly the same way, but in a smaller version, somebody who gets upset for everything, somebody who feels that why are things not happening for me, somebody who's, just depressed because they can't travel now, somebody who's just depressed because they cannot go around and hang out with friends. All these sad things may also lead to mental health, which should be taken care of. Fine. So here are the set of supplements that I'm going to talk about, and just a reiteration of telling you, if you are taking all this, be happy you're doing a good job. Maybe if you have not considered any of these till now, and if you're a person who needs this, start looking at it as a supplementation. Very important for us. So here we start. The first supplement that we would recommend for mental health is definitely not ginseng. Yes, I know what I mean. Definitely not ginseng. Ginseng should be the last one. But why am I taking it as the first supplement today is This is a very renowned supplement that we have for mental health for ages together now. Fine. Amway India itself has it for about 23 years now. No, sorry, 20, more than 20 years now. So what is this supplement all about? It's a boon. It's a blessing, if you ask me personally. It was then called Siberian ginseng with ginkgo biloba. And I would tell you on a lighter note, for all my training recruitments, whomever I recruit for my state, I used to ask them to pronounce this word, Siberian ginseng with ginkgo biloba. If they pronounce it properly, that's one criteria for them to get into training team. Otherwise, I would say your pronunciation is bad. Maybe you may have to work on that. Fine. So that way, I still remember this is a supplement which is very close to anybody's heart. So this is called Ginseng Cherry Plus now because we have improvised on the formula. After a few years, we have improvised on the formula. Now it is much, much better. So what is the supplement for? It keeps you zinging the longest, which means it shows your own potential to you. Fine. Everybody is capable of something. Because of some reason, we tend to forget those things. Say somebody would be great in art, but because of the work pressure, they would have forgot that. And somebody draws very well. At that point in time, they think, oh my goodness, I also used to do wall painting. I also used to draw very well. But now, that makes them feel little small, little low, and they get into, a lot of unwanted stress and anxiety and all that. So this is one supplement which tries to bring them out. It has a lot of scientific things behind it and a lot of emotional things also behind it. First, let us see what is scientifically behind this. One is Siberian ginseng as ingredient. So there are many ginsengs available, Panax ginseng, Korean ginseng, there are many ginsengs available. In fact, ashwagandha is also a member in the ginseng family. It is Indian ginseng, nothing more than that. This is like great grandfather of ashwagandha. So much of benefit here, so much. So, and when it comes from Nutrilite, the ginseng root that we use in Nutrilite is something that we have been using it for years together. It's not the small plant, root from a plant. It used to be from a tree, and the tree is not less than 100 years old. That kind of a root we used to find out and extract this root from there, Siberian ginseng. So the benefit of that Siberian ginseng is it is to revitalize us. When I say revitalize, body, mind, everything, revitalize, regenerate our energy. It keeps us going, and there's no stop anywhere. There could be breaks, but it's just a break. It doesn't stop us anywhere and keeps us the endurance. It enhances the our own endurance, our own capabilities. So that is Siberian ginseng for us. The best part of Nutrilite is the additions which are being added to it. It also has ginkgo biloba. When I talk about ginkgo biloba is a tree again from the plant extract, and it is bilobed, like two leaves. You can see on the right side of my screen. So it's bilobed. No, that is ginkgo biloba. Bilobe is two leaves, and this is an amazing, most sold supplement across the globe. Everybody would buy ginkgo biloba because it works very well for keeping ourselves young in terms of skin, our hair, youthfulness, everything. It takes care of that. Number one. Number two, it is known to thin the blood. It has the blood thinning effect, and it also strengthens the blood capillaries. So the best part that happens is blood could reach to all the parts of the body, even in the smallest capillaries, in the brain, in the eyes, even in the smallest thin capillaries, blood would reach to any part and would support us to a greater extent. So that is ginkgo biloba. And then we have Schisandra. This is again one more very interesting ingredient which has been used here. So this works as an antioxidant, and it is also, Schisandra is majorly used for rehabilitation. So something that has become a practice. So how do I come out of it? Say smoking has become a practice, or alcohol become a practice. So I go to the rehabilitation center. There are something which are done to keep me away from that, to keep my thoughts away from that, right? The same thing happens with Sisandra. So Sisandra in India is given to many people for immunity, number one. Number two, it is also given for rehabilitation to come out of that thought. Fine. So that way it supports mental health to a greater extent, and it has acerola cherry concentrate and citrus bioflavonoid. When we talk about citrus bioflavonoid of Ambe Neutralite, the bioflavonoids are taken from 4 different fruits: mandarin, grapefruit, oranges, and lemon. These are the 4 fruits which are involved to take that flavonoids of the citrus fruit, and it is very supportive as an antioxidant. It keeps the cells very energetic, and we all know that there are n number of neurons in brain. No, there are n number of neurons, and they are capable to memorize things. So now, if you look at somebody and you come out of the place after few years, you see the same person. How do you relate, or how do you recognize the person? The neurons will keep that information ready for you, and when you see the next person again, it gives a signal: I have seen this person sometime before. And who keeps that memory? Is neurons. Fine. So Siberian ginseng and ginkgo biloba as a combination is supportive to ensure the neurons are not affected. So that way your memory is at its peak. Even at the older age, the memory is at its peak. So the problem today is, as we grow older and older, 3 major things we might get affected, from the early age. Need not be older age only, from the early age. Dyslexia, dementia, and of course Alzheimer's. There are many, but these are quite common. Dyslexia can be seen with the younger children, small school going children, and teachers are the right people to find out that. So classic example, if you ask them to write C like this, they will write C like this. They pronounce a name in a different way because it goes and stores in the memory like that. You can't blame them for that. The memory stores like that. Why? It's a common condition which happens in their body. And E, if you ask them to write E like this, no 3 strokes. There'll be n number of strokes. You might have seen all this. So it could be a signal of dyslexia in the early stage. Dementia, loss of memory again, which we tend to forget quite often. It starts like a normal thing. It's very normal to forget certain things. A person wearing the specs will keep searching where I kept my specs. Wearing the specs only, he'll keep searching. Where did I keep my specs? Not even, realizing that it is already there on his face. So these are small things, and women are known for this. We'll put the milk on the milk pot on the gas stove, and we will be there looking at it, but it will boil and overflow. Fine? Just keep off the mind. And we will close the door, everything, shut everything, and come out, and then we realize, did we switch off all the lights? I remember light was on in the hall, living area. So did I switch it off? Or if my cylinder is off, what is all this? Small memory loss. But if we leave it like that over a period of time, it may lead to Alzheimer's also. So this is an amazing supplement. Above 40 years, somebody should take every year at least one dabba on a daily basis. This is a super specialty supplement, my dear friends. Need not be taken on a daily basis. But if you personally feel that memory is horrible and I need something as a support for me, then this could be a great support for you. Fine. So this is a supplement as such, so it has to be taken in a limited quantity. 2 tablets twice a day, like 4 till 4 anybody can take, 2 in the morning, 2 at night. But if you feel it is not required so much, you can even stop with 1 in the morning, one at night. But only suggestion here that I personally have to give you is it's an adaptogen. It can give you what your body needs. No? Maybe if you are extremely tired and your body needs rest, but you have to keep working, but you don't have time to sleep. This is a risky supplement. It's an adaptogen. If you take, rather than giving you that endurance and stamina, it makes you sleep very well. Great sleep. Fine. Because it refreshes your body that way. So I would say, don't start something in the neck of the hour. Start it little prior and you can consume it as long as you want, and whenever you feel it is sufficient, you can stop. So that is Siberian ginseng with ginkgo biloba or ginseng cherry plus, and it has peppermint flavor because some of the roots and herbs that we have used are difficult to digest in the body and absorption may not be that great. So we have added peppermint to support you with proper absorption. So it's such an amazing supplement and can be given to anybody above 18 years of age. Okay. If you personally ask me, I don't see any need for a person unless otherwise there is some major issue, mental issue there. You know, maybe ragging in the college or school, or friends isolating, or a breakup in life, breakup in relationship. All that may put the person down. That is when you may have to look up the supplement for youngsters. Otherwise, it's majorly for elderly people where the neurons keep deteriorating day by day and the cells in the brain keep deteriorating and has to be refreshed. So this is a supplement, amazing supplement anybody can take, but don't look at it as the very first supplement for mental health. It should be looked upon as a supplement, as a last resort. Till then, you can manage with other supplements. Ginseng cherry plus. Then you may tell me, I don't see any serious issue with me, Lakshmi, honestly. I mean, after looking at that, even I felt so, oh my goodness, I'm not that serious. But of course, stress is there, anxiety is there, and it depends on how the day is. Certain days are very hectic for us, certain days are very relaxed for us, and we can't even ask the reason why. Fine. So this definitely puts a toll on our body, on our mind, on our mood, everything. So to keep me going naturally, is there any supplement which I can take on a daily basis? Yes, ashwagandha. Ashwagandha. So this ashwagandha is a herb which is known to support vitality. So vitality, our own endurance and stamina. So it can push you to that extreme, eases out stress, it can calm the nervous system, it can revitalize our body and also boost the body's functioning. And during the peak of emotions, extreme sadness, extreme anger, all that, our hormone cortisol, goes to the peak, and that has to be reduced. It cannot be at the peak. We will stay with the same mood as long as it is at its peak. So it is important that we bring it back to normal. So that way, to bring the cortisol levels down in our body, ashwagandha is a known common herb and used by everybody for ages together now. For more than 2,500 years in India, people have been using ashwagandha. And our ashwagandha, Nutrilite ashwagandha, has something called withanolides, with 2.5% of withanolides in every single tablet, and it is responsible for the beneficial effects of our body. All the beneficial effects of our body. Right? So withanolides is a key ingredient, and Nutrilite stands apart from other ashwagandhas in the market, because when you say ashwagandha, people might think, okay, I'll buy ashwagandha, it's available everywhere. Then we have to make them understand how far Nutrilite ashwagandha is different from other ashwagandhas available in the market, because ashwagandha, even it is available in native store. You might have seen native medicine. So there, if you ask for ashwagandha, they take a very old paper and wrap it up few roots and give. Fine. Only the person sitting inside the store knows it is ashwagandha. Even we do not know how to check. Every root for us is the same. We can't even make out whether it is ashwagandha or it is shunti or it is a normal plant root. So we have to trust on them. Whereas here in Nutrilite, it comes with PSP, potency, purity, and safety. And it also comes with a very active ingredient called withanolides. So this withanolide 2.5% gives all the benefit, whatever I told you, all the benefits, and it keeps us going. So this is for somebody who feels every day is a stress for me, Lakshmi. Morning, I start the day very fresh. By the time it is 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, I'll be like, when will this day get over? And when will I have a good sleep? You know, so that sort of stress. And for all of us, this could be a great supplement. And one more thing about ashwagandha, again, don't try late in the evening. You might be again with a bundle of energy, not knowing what to do. You will not get the sleep immediately. So it is always better to have it between 7:30 and have a good 2.5 hours, a good amount of time spent before going to bed, so that it gets absorbed in the body and calms the nervous system, and then you can have a very peaceful good night's sleep. Right? So that's ashwagandha for us. Multitasking has become a very common thing today. Everybody, we just have two hands, but whatever work we do with two hands, at times it is ashtavadani, like 8 or 10, any number of work that we can do. And our roles in life are also like that. We have to be a mother for children, wife for husband, or vice versa, and a kid for parents. We will definitely have elders at home. So kids for parents, how many roles? And of course, if you are a business person, for few people you are an upline, for few people you are a downline. So look at the roles that you have. So when we do multitasking, there is a possibility that our concentration might miss. Okay. Lot of times we miss our concentration. We do not know how to prioritize things. There we are stuck. Oh my goodness, I thought I should talk to this customer yesterday. I lost a business there. Oh my goodness, I should do a follow-up today, but unfortunately I missed it. Somehow I missed it. These things are very, very common. And it's important that we keep our concentration at peak, and there comes a supplement which can support us, which is Brahmi. Fine. Vedic scholars have used Brahmi for thousands of years to improve their learning power and concentration. This is one of the very, very important ingredient in Ayurveda. Brahmi as such, supports mental agility, your mental strength and potency, improve the functioning of central nervous system. It improves attention, and it also helps in alertness, being very alert always, and concentration. It also supports in concentration. So for ages together, people have been taking Brahmi as a brain food for brain. Fine. So Brahmi works very, very well in channelizing the data in our brain. So that's the power of Brahmi. What can Brahmi do? It simply works like your computer. RAM, ROM. Fine? RAM. When RAM is good in a computer, accessing of data is very easy. Why? Because it channelizes. It knows, okay, this is the information related to this. I'll keep it here. Whenever they want, they can retrieve. This is the information related to this. I'll keep it here. Whenever they want, they can retrieve. That is why you see our brain operates in a very different way. If you ask somebody, what was your birthday dress when you were in, 10th standard, or what was your class teacher's name when you are studying 5th standard, they'll say like this. Whatever is the name, it like this it comes. Very simple question. What did you have for breakfast today? I forgot. Or what color of dress you are wearing today? For a moment they look and then they say, why? It's just an incident which has happened now, but that was long, long ago, so long ago. Why? Channelizing the information. So Brahmi plays a very important role in channelizing the information. That is why it is known for children, for their education, because when they study, you ask a child, it will say, I have a different teacher for science, different teacher for maths, different teacher for English, different teacher for language. All that are different teachers. But me as one student, I have to study everything. How is that? Huh? Yeah, that's how life is. So it has to be channelized. So that is done very well with this Brahmi. So it has a lot to do with your mental wellness. So it's amazing supplement to be taken by any children about 12 years of age who are into school, college, and also younger adults who feel that concentration have to be channelized. It could be even our, homemakers or people at home, because every day when they get into the kitchen, there are n number of ingredients. For one pulusu, I don't know how many ingredients you have to use. So they should know where each dabba is kept. They should know where they have to take it from. They should not forget any ingredient and use it properly to get that taste. So Brahmi is supportive there. Right? It comes with practice, but over a period of time, when we do multitasking, when we are stressed, it skips out of the mind. So Brahmi supports us there. As the name implies, Brahmi, this is one amazing supplement. For years together it has been, and today, as one species of Brahmi is used by Nutralite, and it has bacosides as an active ingredient, 20% bacosides, and that is responsible for all the benefits that Brahmi could give us. Right? The name implies Brahmi should be normally taken during Brahma Muhurtam. We all know what Brahma Muhurtam is, 4:30 to 6 in the very early, very early morning. Now that's the time when normal Brahmi has to be consumed in the form of herb as such or kashayam as such. But this is in a very purified form. Maybe if you wish to take it with empty stomach, you can go ahead. This one supplement has that liberty. If somebody wants to take it with empty stomach for better absorption, they can take. Nothing wrong. And if you wish to take after breakfast also, it is fine. It's absolutely fine. But on one small condition, if I have to put it with Brahmi, is try to have a glass of milk after taking Brahmi, because it can generate a little heat, because it's brain food. It directly works with the brain. So there's a tendency for the body to get heated up and the brain to get heated up. So it is better to control that with good coolant, body coolant, which could be cow's milk. Fine. Not, a very important thing, like it has to be done mandatory as such. It's important that you keep your body cool. With any traditional herb, it is true, and more so for Brahmi. Fine. Yeah. Then comes, amazing supplement. And I was not, very sure about this working for mental illness till I knew about this program, Live Nutralite 360-degree. There I saw the doctor recommending Tulsi, Tulsi for adaptogen and mental illness. Till then, even I was thinking it was for immunity, because Nutralite has positioned it for immunity. The positioning is immunity, very true. But as an additional benefit, Tulsi has a great role to play in our body as an adaptogen, which supports our mental wellness. So if you are taking Tulsi on a daily basis also, you can be rest assured that mental health is taken care of. It is a very supportive immune system herb. It's a shrub as such. It's found in every kitchen garden. But one good thing about Nutralite Tulsi is it has highest concentration of all the Tulsis available. The highest concentration is with Nutralite Tulsi, which is equivalent to 100 dried leaves. 100 dried leaves. Then you can understand the concentration of it. And it has a very potent adaptogen and has an antioxidant effect in our body. So Tulsi can be consumed by anybody, and it is with ursolic acid, 2%, which is active ingredient and highest concentration, and it is also supportive for the brain function. Since it's an adaptogen, it is supportive. And from olden, this is, basil or Tulsi is a superfood. Now, what all comes under superfood? Why is it called as superfood or super herb? When somebody cannot document all the benefits of this herb or food, it is called a superfood, like amla, like garlic. If you ask them to list out all the benefits of it, very difficult to list. Anybody who is an expert in that will also miss out one or two. So that much of benefit it can give to the body. So Tulsi's benefit to our mental health is very strong. It is one herb which can, support us in calming our mind, calming our thoughts, and focusing our thoughts. Our thoughts can be focused, and maybe that could be the reason why we believe in taking tulsi water in terms of tirtham on a daily basis. I don't know. Now I could relate. No, it supports in concentration. It supports in focus. Now, when you go to temple, obviously everybody there'll be 101 thoughts, and that thought should be channelized. Maybe that's the reason. I don't know. When I link it, I get this simple. So it has a lot to do with your mental wellness. So it's important that we also take tulsi on a daily basis. It also has a lot to do for the mental well-being of a person. Then comes the last supplement. How can we miss out on that? Chyawanprash. It's an Ayurvedic superfood again. A classic recipe which can heal, which is a healer par excellence, and strengthens the immune system and revitalize the body. When we talk about revitalizing the body, regenerating the body, removing all the unwanted dead cells from the body, removing toxins and giving fresh oxygen and nutrients to all the cells and keeping it very fresh. Fine. So for all that, one very important ingredient supplement that can be used is Chyawanprash. So again, Nutrilite Chyawanprash is known for its purity, safety, and potency of herbs. And the botanicals that we have used here are very authentic, and it is through DNA fingerprinting. There are about 32 Ayurvedic herbs, and you all know by now, more than 60 ingredients, 6 zeros, more than 60 ingredients have gone into Chyawanprash, Nutrilite Chyawanprash, out of which 32 are herbs which are Ayurvedic specific. Ayurveda has recognized those as important herbs. So we have used those 32. Rest all are common ingredients, like it could be ghee, it could be honey, it could be, I don't know, milk, those kind of food, which are very common, not termed as Ayurveda. That's what I mean to say. So 32 Ayurvedic ingredients, out of which 16 are organic in nature. That's the speciality of it. 16 are organic, which means we have received the certificate for 16 ingredients as organic. Rest we are waiting for the certification to come. Maybe it might increase over a period of time. No preservatives used. You can see in many Ayurvedic natural supplements also, benzol works as a preservative. We have not used even benzol. It's a very natural supplement which can be given to anybody, so that the body gets refreshed, the body gets regenerated, and that goes to the mind. And when that goes to the mind, the body, body and mind are interlinked. When the body is happy, it keeps the mind happy. When the mind is happy, it keeps the body happy. So it's important that we have a clear, connection between these two. You might have seen, my dear friends, how many times a child smiles in a day? A child, a small child, maybe infant, how many times it smiles in a day? 300 times. Approximately. For no reason. You go and stand before the child, you just try to pamper it, it starts laughing, it starts smiling, it just starts being happy. And on the other side, how many times an adult on an average laughs on a daily basis? Just laugh or smile. Pathetic. 10 times average. 10 times on an average. That's it. Now let us take this challenge. You think for yourself, right from morning till now, how many times you have laughed? Just laugh. live that moment, just one moment. I lived that moment. I was happy. I was laughing. Very difficult to know. Maybe it could be a very hectic day. It could be a bad day. Only those days we are facing the maximum. Very difficult to face the happy day. Right? So this supplement can definitely change the mood and makes us feel happy, because the mind and the body can be linked to each other, so that when it is happy, it can transfer the happiness to the brain, and when the brain is happy, it can transfer it to the body. Fine. That's how these supplements would support. And talking about Chyawanprash, both adults and children can take. Children half a teaspoon 2 times a day, and adults 1 teaspoon 2 times a day. Fine. So that is how it is suggested, and it is also known for its calmness of the mind and central nervous system. It works in the memory. It doesn't allow anybody to lose the memory. It increases our memory power, and it supports us to a greater extent. So that's about the supplements that we use for mental health. And I'm sure whatever supplements we have discussed today is all are going to support us to a greater extent, to come out of stress, to come out of anxiety. We cannot expect every day to be the same. There are some good days, there are some, odd days. So it is better that we handle and we keep ourselves with that Josh and enjoy every bit of life. Fine. So I would again urge you to all watch this series of Nutralite 360-degree mental health, which is, I think, the third video or second video. Second video. Third one is respiratory. Second video, and it is available in English and Hindi. So the inspiration for this program is only from there. Also, the Alzheimer's day, which came in between, was again one more inspiration. So we thought we should also know about these supplements. It is already there in our kitty. Are we using it effectively? Are we reaching out to the right customers? There are many customers who are actually looking for such supplementation. So why not we, go to those customers and talk to them and change their life, bring some happiness in their lives. That's the whole intention, right? So thank you so much for being such a lovely audience, and any question you can put it on the chat box. I'll definitely be more than happy to answer. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I agree with you, Chandrasekhar Narayan, sir. Very true. Thank you. Gayatri ma'am, it is better you continue with Ashwagandha only. Need not take ginseng cherry plus. Ashwagandha is more than sufficient. If we take ginseng cherry plus, ashwagandha and brahmi is also needed. No, either ginseng or ashwagandha. I would say first ashwagandha and then ginseng. If it's a very critical problem, then it would start from ginseng, but after a period of time, stop ginseng and come to ashwagandha. Both need not be taken together. Thank you. Everybody liked the session. I'm so overwhelmed. Thank you so much for your nice feedbacks. And we'll keep meeting you with wonderful sessions with good amount of information that you need to promote the products in the market. And thank you very much. Just keep attending the session. And one more question has come. Person with existing health issues like sugar, BP, can we recommend these supplements after the age of 60? Please do recommend, because somebody taking tablet on a daily basis, we can't expect them to be happy always. No? So just to pep up their mood, we need to take support from a supplementation, can be recommended. Didn't get any question from which one is better. What is which one is better? Everything is better. I'm not getting the question. Maybe you can talk to me offline, sir. I can definitely support you. How long can we take to see the results? Minimum 3 to 4 months. Minimum 3 to 4 months you can see some results there. Fine. Yeah. Thank you so much, and take care, and take care of your mental health also along with your physical health, and I'm sure we're going to pass through some very good days in coming future. So this is just a break in between, so things will be all right soon. And take care. Thank you, and